This lack of validation absorbs to the core. When love is dishonored, commitments ignored, how can I find value in culture based on hate? How can I feel freedom? Laws don't protect me and my love, the reason I'm alive. Oh, my love, the strength to survive while we hide and are forced to lie. The part of my life that matters the most is summarized with heart-stopping lies. We follow society.